People were not confused with the choice because the passage makes us clear that people would choose policeman's side over anarchist bomb. Modeled and flummoxed as choice A and C. Both mean a state of being confused, and so they are eliminated to fit in the blank one. Confronted, given as choice B, is so right answer because it has a relevancy to fit the blank one as correct answer to make sense, as it means dealing with a challenge or meeting face to face with hostile or argumentative intent. Both policeman and anarchist make a noise, commotion to drive any action. Tumult as choice D is so unable to fit blank 2 to specify the people's choice on the side of policeman over anarchist. Trepidation as choice F denotes a feeling of fear or agitation, so choice F is unfit to meet the sense of the passage. Nothing is mentioned here about policeman's fear, and it is so absurd for policemen to have a feeling of fear regarding public issue in comparison with the anarchist bomb. So choice E, given as truncheon, is the correct answer, which denotes a short, thick stick carried as a weapon by a police officer, as it denotes the exact and appropriate meaning to make sense to fit the blank too. So the correct answers are choice B and choice E.